Daddy's back. Yay. Okay. C3. Your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual. I bleed through the pits of the leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write that news, I ain't got time. Cause my second minute hours go to the hour. Mighty dollar in the almighty power of Allah. Yeah, sister, brother, son, daughter, father, mother, loving coppers. Got the Maserati dancing on the bridge trunk. I've been telling coppers, you can't get them, you can't stop them. I go by them gurus. You can't beat them, then you flop them. You can't win them, then you knock them. You can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like overridden by the young money. C3, nay, nay, daddy's back, daddy. Okay. Millionaire from a young money, millionaire, but y'all really wanna laugh. Y'all don't really wanna do it. If hip-hop is dead, I am the environment fluid. And I don't care who it be, I'm stepping to it. Notice I say it, cause to me, it ain't shit. Get coming with your light trick. Comment on my sidekick, never answer when it's private. Man, I ain't a shy chick. Don't you hate a shy chick? I had a plate of shy chick and she ain't shy no more. She changed her name to my chick. Yeah, boy, that's my girl. And she pops excellent up in Waynesworth. Millionaire, I'm a young money, cash money, fast money, slow money, more money, never knew money. What is that? Who is that? I never heard of it. I will take your picture and make a rest in peace shirt of it. Someone should take this beat and make a rest in peace shirt of it, because I killed it. Now don't tell no one you heard of me. It's like the beat was screaming murder me, and I'm a murderer, so I murdered it. And you rappers is what I eat, and I'll make sure of it. Sherbert him, I mean, shame on him. I heard Carter, Arthur, this rap thing. This is my race, gon' take a lap, man. Weezy babies, no Sharina, gon' take a nap, man. Snap time, I holler back at you at snack time. Weezy. Like Big J and Tupac, Andre 3000, where is Erica Badu at? Who that said it don't beat Lil Wayne? My name ain't Dick, but I keep that flame, boy. Who that wanna do that, boy? Yeah, do that, you that swallow, and I be the now you got loose bowels. I don't owe you like 2 hours, but I like for you to pay me like an hour. And I'd rather be pushing flowers than to be in the pen sharing showers. It's only told this world's ours, and the Bible told us every girl was sour. Only in the garden and don't smell her flower. Call me Mr. Carter or Mr. Lawnmower. Boy, I got so many girls like I'm like flower. Even with the girl, you can see she couldn't doubt it. Man, life just ain't life without me. Hip hop just ain't hip hop.